In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for local market research fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you understand what people in your area are interested in, giving you an edge in planning, marketing, or expanding your business. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Trends. Just open up your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once the results pop up, click on the first link. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, a treasure trove of invaluable data and insights. Upon landing on the homepage, your next step is to click on the Explore button prominently displayed on the screen. This allows you to enter the core of Google Trends, where all the data magic happens. Now it's time to enter your main keyword. Think of a keyword related to your local market interest. It could be anything relevant to your business or area, like coffee shop, real estate, gym membership, or digital marketing. Once you've typed in your keyword, hit Enter to see the trend graph. This graph provides a visual representation of how interest in your keyword has fluctuated over time. Next, set the location to your target area. This is crucial because it allows you to filter search interest data specific to a certain country, state, province, or city, rather than seeing global data, which might not be as relevant to your local needs. Use the Location drop-down menu to make this selection. After setting the location, you should choose a time range. The time range defines the period over which you want to observe trends. For recent interests, select the past 12 months. For a broader perspective on how trends have evolved, consider viewing data over the past 5 years. This can reveal long-term patterns and help you strategize accordingly. Now, scroll down to find the Interest by Sub-Region section. This part provides a map and data that highlight which regions or cities have shown the highest interest, helping you identify hotspots where demand is either high or emerging. Additionally, review the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. This area showcases keywords that people frequently search in your location, offering ideas for SEO, blog content, or geo-targeted ads. Leveraging these insights can significantly enhance your local marketing strategies. Lastly, if you have multiple keywords or business ideas to compare, Google Trends allows you to do just that. By clicking the Plus Compare button, you can add additional keywords to see how interest levels differ between them. This comparison can help you determine which product or service might have greater demand in your locality, allowing for more informed decision-making. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Trends to conduct quick and insightful local market research. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on leveraging digital tools for business success.